Today we are arrived in Quanzhou JINGGONG factory. I'd like to introduce the JG125Z wheeled excavator. It is suitable for various working conditions. The machine weighs 10,000 kilograms, has a max digging distance of 6,400 millimeters, a max digging height of 5,400 millimeters. The machine features a compact and flexible design, a robust structure, and a balance of durability and practicality. The JG125Z equipped with a 0.4 cubic meter bucket. It's made of high-strength material and features high-pressure hydraulic system. In addition, you can choose to equip it with a grapple or other device to meet any of your work requirements.
This excavator is equipped with a Yuchai engine with a rated power of 75 kilowatts. It features a hydraulic system with a flow rate of 230 liters per minute and a max traction force of 60 kilonewtons.
Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.